Is this profitable? Billionaires don't wait. They position themselves early in sites destined for growth, long before gain is obvious. South Reclamation Project. Will this be profitable? Don't be left out. Be part of the new Cebu City. Get CDM Commercial Lots or the South Coast City Commercial Lots. Contact Douglas F. Pañares. Phone 63915-842-6920. Email docpanares@gmail.com.